Accreditation can be a little overwhelming at times. The good news is that URAC has tools to help you through the process, which is designed to minimize disruptions and maximize the benefits of your investment in accreditation. Let us tell you how it works. First, you submit an initial submission, which includes basic information about your company, scope of services, and corporate governance. It also includes documentation of how your company complies with URAC standards. This can include things like policies, procedures, program descriptions, and reports. To help both URAC and you ensure timely delivery, we'll work out a deadline for your submission when an agreement is signed. Although it may seem like a lot of work to collect and submit this information, URAC will provide you with a client relations manager, access to training materials, and a platform for questions, all to make sure that you're well-armed and able to confidently submit your application for evaluation. After your application is handed off to URAC, you'll get a lead reviewer and your application will undergo a desktop review. Over the course of 30 days, our team will read through your application, ask clarifying questions, and ensure that your documentation demonstrates compliance with URAC standards before moving on to the validation review. If it doesn't, you'll have an opportunity to update your submission. For your validation review, we'll make sure you're actually doing what your policies say you are. We do that through an in-person or virtual review where we may look at documents, interview people, or take a tour. The good news is that you'll know how you did when the review is over. Afterwards, your application will be stripped of identifying information, packaged, and sent to the Accreditation Committee for adjudication. The Accreditation Committee is made up of volunteer healthcare representatives from across the industry. Together, they conduct a review and assessment of all applications, ultimately awarding one of the following accreditation statuses: full, conditional, or provisional, or the not accredited statuses of corrective action or denial. This process is usually completed within 30 days after the end of your validation review. In large part due to educational materials that help applicants prepare and URAC's unique iterative process, eligible organizations are able to successfully complete the accreditation process in as little as 6 months. For more in-depth information on URAC and our accreditation process, please visit us at urac.org/accreditation-process or contact us at businessdevelopment@urac.org.